I wanted to show you again. It's running very slowly, but it kind of stops right down there because this ditch isn't deep enough or low enough to take the water on. You can see how it's pooled up in the street, overflowing from the field, and that all comes from the farmer pushing that field over into the ditch and closing that ditch up. And that's right in front of my house. So when the car hydroplanes and spins out of control, they're going to take out my mailbox and they're going to hit those rocks, and it's going to be a mess.